Look at this 1966 Cadillac Deville convertible. What a beautiful car. .429 V8, all original, factory air, power windows, power vent windows, power seat, power top. Absolutely gorgeous. Correct colors. Factory Flamenco red. Not flamenco, flamenco. Flamenco red. Very sought after metallic red that year. White interior, white top. The chrome is absolutely beautiful. If you look at the detail, all the bright work chrome. The paint is beautiful on the car. The body's straight. Just a gorgeous 1966 Cadillac. Look at those real spoke wheels. Gangster white wall tires. Everything you want in a Caddy right here. Check us out. HollywoodMotorsUSA.com.